Welcome to my tips and tricks. If you want to use Influx Db version 2, you have to learn the Flux language database. Fortunately, in Grafana, using version 2 in the Flux is a little hard. So if we go over to our Influx database and go over to Data Explorer, we can select our query just like you used to be able to in Grafana. And if we hit submit, we see we're getting data. If we hit our script editor, here is our Influx version 2 query, our Flux query. We just copy that out, go back to Grafana, to our dashboard, new dashboard, add a panel, and then just paste that data in, and then hit Query Inspector. Just close the panel, and we can see our data just like that. Thanks for watching.